Ew, who decorated? Let's get 'em, girls. Hey! Ouch! Watch where you're tapping. Tap, tap, tapping away. Hey! That tickles. Ow! What do you want? Ah! Cooties! Enough with the tapping already. Tapped out yet? This is majorly cutting into my social life. The only thing better than this would be seeing Craig Mammilton in the flesh.
Hey, I think I found something. Our cave is the other way, but where's she going? Well, where's that fire going? A starfire? But that's why I wonder where those things could left Titans. Do you know where Teen Titans went? Oh, can you find out here? Do you think I was wandering here? You could find out from the north? Oh, you can direct me to the South Pole. Well, I'm so glad you're back. Did you bring one? But I tried to, but I could only find one. Oh, maybe you can do better. Do over. Am I right? Well, this is no good. Well, I thought I told her the truth. Did you tell me the truth? Oh, that's good. So can you find a request for you today now?
I love being with all the animals when they wake up in the rainforest. With the light of the sun breaking through the trees, plants open up with dew on their leaves. Rise and shine, it's a brand new day in the rainforest. One by one, all the animals awake in the trees, in the grass, on a misty lake. A dawning of life we call morning in the rainforest. Help me wake up all the animals. Sing quietly. Buenos días. Buenos días. Wake up, little sloth. Everybody sing buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. Let's wake up the macaw. Everybody sing buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. Wake up all the butterflies. Buenos días. Hola mañanita, hola mañanita. Hola mañanita, hola mañanita. Hola mañanita, hola mañanita. Hola mañanita, hola mañanita. Uh-oh! That howler monkey's already awake, and he's in trouble. My brother is an animal rescuer. Do you know his name?